Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into the MSI Katana A17 AI gaming laptop, a true powerhouse for gamers and creators alike. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Whether you're into fast-paced action games or need precision for your creative projects, this screen won't disappoint. The Ryzen 9-8945HS processor brings incredible speed and multitasking capability, while the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card handles the most demanding games and graphic-intensive applications with ease. If you're a gamer, you know the importance of a fast refresh rate, and with 240Hz, this laptop ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay. Coupled with 64GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, there's no lag or delay, no matter how many programs you run or games you load. From video editing to high-end gaming, everything runs effortlessly on this beast. One of the standout features is the Cooler Boost 5 thermal system, which keeps your laptop cool during those long gaming or rendering sessions. This allows the system to run at its peak performance without worrying about overheating. The Windows 11 operating system brings a fresh and efficient interface, making it easier to organize and manage tasks, providing the ultimate workflow. Another benefit of the MSI Katana A17 AI is its AI-enhanced features, which make gaming smarter. It uses machine learning to optimize the laptop's performance for each game, ensuring that you get the best possible experience without having to adjust settings manually. The AI constantly adjusts system resources based on your usage, making sure that the laptop always runs at its best. For gamers who demand performance, reliability, and stunning visuals, the MSI Katana A17 AI is a game-changer. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or creating, this laptop has everything you need to elevate your experience to the next level. Plus, it's built to last, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about gaming or content creation. And if you're looking to grab this powerhouse at the best price, check the link below to get yours today. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tips to get the most out of your tech.